Good evening to all. I am Abhora Shruti, student of second year B Physiotherapy from Marwadi University. Today I will explain the mumps virus. Mumps is the contagious virus infect that primarily affect the salivary gland, particularly the parotid gland, which are located near the ears. It causes the mumps disease. While mumps is now less common in many parts of the world due to vaccination, but it can still occur. Etiology of mumps. Mumps virus, the cause of mumps, is an RNA virus of the genus Rubella virus in a family of Paramyxoviridae, which also includes the parainfluenza viruses. Epidemiology of mumps. Mumps is endemic in most unvaccinated population. The virus is spread from human received by direct contact, airborne droplets, by saliva, urine, and other liquids. Affect both sex equally. Virus has been isolated from saliva as long day before up to 9 days after appearance of salivary gland swelling. Transmission does not seem to occur more than 24 hours before the appearance of swelling or later than 3 after it subsides. Virus has been isolated from urine from first to 14th day after the onset of salivary gland swelling. Pathogenesis of the mumps virus. After entry into the last and initial multiplication in the cells of the respiratory tract, the virus is blood-borne to many tissues, among which salivary and other glands are most susceptible. Symptoms. So, symptoms can vary in severity and may include swelling of parotid glands, fever, headache, fatigue, loss of appetite, muscle arch, pain while chewing or swelling. Some people, especially children, may very mild symptoms or sometimes asymptomatic. This is the picture of the swelling of parotid glands over here. It is located near the ear. Diagnosis. Clinical examination of mumps virus is swallowing of the salivary gland. Lab test by the saliva, blood, urine test to detect the mumps virus or antibodies. PCR and serology may be used for confirmation of the mumps virus infection. Treatment of the mumps virus. So, no specific antiviral treatment are there for the mumps virus. Supportive care includes rest, hydrates, pain relief, cold and warm compression on swollen gland. Complications. Thought of mild mumps can lead to serious complications, especially in adults. Inflammation of testes can lead to infertility and rare cases, ophoritis and masticities in females, inflammation of brain and spinal cord linings, inflammation of brain, hair loss. Hair loss is rarely occur but may be permanent. Pancreatitis are also occurs. So prevention of mumps virus is MMR vaccine. MMR vaccine is measles, mumps, and rubella. These are vaccine to prevention of mumps and rubella measles like disease. First dose is 12 to 15 month of age and second dose is 4 to 6 year of age. Highly effective in preventing mumps. Prognosis. Most people recover completely in a few weeks. Immunity is usually lifelong after infection or vaccination. So, vaccination is the prevented solution of the mumps virus. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.